You'll get a 20% refund on transaction fees, and at month's end another 30% back to your UID. In this video, I'll show you how to register for MEXC and get up to 50% fee rebates. The sign up link will be in the description or comments. I'll also introduce a system for rebates across all exchanges. Let's start with the MEXC guide. Here's the referral code for fee rebates. Enter your email or phone to register for MEXC. The promo code should autofill. If not, enter MEXC50 to get the rebate. For this transaction fee refund, you'll get 20% back at month end. If you continue trading, you'll get an additional 30% refund to your UID. Now enter your email. I've entered the email. Now I'll enter the password. Okay, I'll enter the password with a capital letter first, like hello 123 with an extra CE. This meets the requirements for creating an account. Click Sign Up, select I'm not a robot, and complete the image verification. Now check your email for the verification code. The MEXC code has arrived. Copy and paste it here. Great! You've successfully registered and will receive a 20% fee refund for both spot and futures. Keep trading until month end for an extra 30% refund to your UID. Now it asks you to verify or claim a bonus. Claim up to $8 USD bonus by clicking here. It requires account verification. Click Verify now, and you can verify on the web or app. Download the MEXC app from App Store or Google Play. Log in and verify there or verify on the website. For web verification, upload your ID or driver's license and take a selfie. That completes the verification process. Here we go. I see the light inside you brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly